Hey yo, what's up, Groove Tubers? GrooveHQ Lab, Groove helping you shine on GrooveHQ. Let's get down to it. So, today's business is OBS Studio settings for, low-end computers, or maybe even if you've got the higher-end computer, if you want to get the best out of your machine. So this is your video. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that like if you like the content, and share with those in need, yo. So man, GrooveHQ Lab, GrooveHQ helping you shine. Let's do it. Okay, so this is it. This is my setup at the moment. So as you can see, I'm recording this right now. So we're going to just follow the mouse, and yeah, so that's it, man. So at the moment I'm using two channels, the mic input 4, which is my microphone, and then I've got the beats over here that I play from Windows Media Player. So my mic is connected directly into OBS, and I've got some settings on the microphone as well. But this video is not about the microphone, and you know what I'm saying. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to set up your machine for best settings. Even if you have a low-end PC, it doesn't matter really, because we are here to solve that problem. So yeah, so back to work. So now the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that your audio and everything else is coming through as you would love. So go to settings, and when you get to your settings, my PC is too slow. Okay, you're gonna go into your stream, and then select your stream service, and then do select the server, maybe connect account. So when you use this one, connect account, you get other features from your YouTube Creative Studio. So go to output, and output mode, you select advanced and then you follow on to select streaming, and then from streaming there you'll see you have your audio tracks 1 up to 6, so you can use any number really, but I prefer to use maybe 2 or 3, sometimes 4. So depending on what I'm doing, if I'm playing the guitar, and I'll play the keys as well, and then have the microphones connected here, so yeah. So audio encoder, that's MPEG ACC. So the video encoder is ×264, which is common, and I guess everybody's got that. But if you have a better board than the standard board that I'm currently using, and that I'm currently referring to in this video, you select ×264, and then rescale your output if you want to, but I don't want to fiddle around a lot, so I've set that already in the video section. So I'll show you the video. Let's first get done with this part. So you go to your encoder settings, and when you get to the encoder settings, what you would like to do and appreciate is to leave the rate control at CBR, you know, and then the bit rate. This depends on what your machine can handle, you know. It depends on what your machine can handle. So what you can do is maybe, you know, try to play around 7,000, you know, to maybe say 45,000 kilobits per second. So I got this by trial and error, so that's 10,000 for my PC. And then the keyframe, okay, you leave the custom buffer size unchecked, and then you go to the keyframe interval, leave it at auto at 0 seconds, and then at the CPU usage, go to very fast. I mean, I've selected very fast, and then I mean the higher the better, but my machine can only handle very fast very well. So the profile, you go and select main, and then tune, you go select 0 latency, and then times 64 options. This is the code basically that just tells your encoder what to do when it handles such a video. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Just copy that and you'll be okay. All right, now that you're done with your streaming, we can now go to recording. And when you get to recording, you can go ahead and select the type. I've selected standard. So, and then the recording part, that's my videos. So you select wherever you're saving your videos. So recording format, I prefer MKV and Matroska. I mean, my computer handles it very well, and it really doesn't take much space like your MP4s. But most YouTubers will argue and say, hey man, MP4 is the best, but man, go ahead with whatever works for you. You know what I'm saying? There's no harm there. Alright, the video encoder times 264, audio encoder FMPG AAC, and then you still have 6 audio tracks that you can use here, but currently I'm only using 2, so I selected 2. So if you want to rescale the output, as I said, that I'm going to show you in the video settings how to do that. I don't like to fiddle around, but if you want to, you can fiddle and find whatever you prefer there. So my machine here is a low-end machine, so 1280 by 720 is cool. The mux settings, I just leave them blank, and then automatic file splitting, split with time, and then encoder settings, like on the other side under streaming, leave the rate control at CBR, and then bitrate at 10,000 kilobits per second, and then leave the custom buffer size unchecked, keyframes at 0, CPU usage at very fast, profile main 0 latency, and then that code, man, that code. Gonna give you the code. As I said, you can just copy and paste. Okay, now cookies, nothing. Let's go ahead and then yeah, I think we're done here on output. So you can also go to your audio. So sample rate, I'm working at 44.1 kilohertz, so you can go ahead and select 44.1 or maybe 48,000. Depends on what your machine can handle and what card you have, what chip you have, what board you have, you know. So channels, select stereo. Global audio devices, nice one. Desktop audio, I've selected my USB audio device, and this is my this is basically my Caswell studio monitors. Shout out. Then that's audio 1 and audio 2. And then my microphone is coming through the same device, the Lexicon Lambda 4 in 4 out. So I'm using only 3 inputs from it, because I've got my guitar plugged in, I've got my microphones, and I've got my keyboards as well. So mic 1, that's mix 1. So we'll come to this because I am basically using a digital a virtual audio cable, as you can see, Asia Link Pro tool. That's what I'm currently using to to route the sound from my media player there into my OBS Studio in an independent channel from the desktop audio. It's mix 2 ASIO Fed Pro driver. Then I'll show you the setup to this. I'm gonna make a video about that. I know you guys would really want to know about this free. It's absolutely free for life, man, lifetime. Shout out, it's free for life. So yeah, man, I don't know, man, we'll talk about this some other time. So my microphone 2, that's mix 3, and then this is mix 4. So what does that mean, man? This is kind of complicated, but you know what, let me just show you what I'm referring to. So this is what I'm referring to right now. This is what I'm referring to right now. As you can see, I've got my desktop audio here. You see, this is my music, this is the desktop audio right here. So right here I've got my microphone in channel 1, and then right here I've got my bass guitar in channel 2, and then as you can see right here, that this is my microphone, from mic 1 into stereo and then into the output of mix 3. So I'm going to tell you about this as the channel grows. So probably be my next video. If you want to know, give me a shout out there, and let me know, and then I'll make a video about this and show you how to install it and how to run it. And this is pretty cool. This is absolutely cool. This is the best invention ever. So, and you get this for free. So yeah, as you can see, that's my Lambda AGO over there controlling the sound. So this sound right here it goes into mix 2. That's the desktop audio that this is my headphones right here. This you cannot hear. If I do this, you don't hear the music. The music is gone, but I can bring it back. So now here we go, we connect it again, boom, you see. So this is my headphones right here, and then this is what you're hearing right now. The sound goes into OBS. So this is OBS Studio, and this is OBS Studio as well. This is my microphone, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, that's that. So that's where all this mix what comes from, you know what I'm saying. So let's go to the meters, and then you can say the decay rate, you want it very fast, you want it fast, then peak meter type, sample peak, and then don't leave the peak meter type on sample, and then advanced settings, monitoring device default, and then hotkeys. There you will create whatever the hotkeys that you want, but I do not have any at the moment. So let's go to the code, what I said I was going to tell you about. So this is it. The video, the base canvas of your video here must be at 1280 by 720 with the aspect ratio of 16:9. You know what I'm saying? And then the output, the output scaled resolution must be at 1280 times 720 at 16:9. So downscale filter, no resolutions match, no downscaling required, you know. So that's it. And then common FFPs, I mean values, that's the frames per second. I went with 30 because 30 works for my PC. My PC can handle it very well. So yeah, this is it, man. This is it. So you go ahead and hit apply and then okay, and then after that you can go ahead and try to record again and see if this works. If you find this video useful and if it has helped you, leave a comment down below. And if you're still experiencing any issues, please feel free to leave the comments down below, and I will definitely go through all of the comments and help you shine, y'all. GrooveHQ, Love Groove, the GrooveHQ signing out, y'all. Peace.